This 2025 Primetime Crusader Full Profile 375 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, external shower, leveling jacks, awning, air conditioning, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, skylight, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime Crusader Full Profile 375 FLS is 11,484 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.